Today, I am reviewing the Waykar 120 Pint Energy Star Dehumidifier. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you have ever dealt with a basement that feels like a swamp or a home that constantly smells like damp laundry, you know that a standard store-bought dehumidifier often feels like it is trying to empty the ocean with a teaspoon. After years of struggling with moisture issues in a large storage space, I finally upgraded to the Waykar 120 Pint Energy Star Dehumidifier, and the shift in air quality has been nothing short of transformative. This is a serious piece of machinery designed for spaces up to 6,000 square feet, and it brings a level of industrial strength performance into a package that is still refined enough for residential use. The first thing that really sets the Waykar apart from the competition is its raw moisture removal power. Rated to pull up to 120 pints per day in high humidity conditions, it does not just scratch the surface of the problem. When I first turned it on in my basement, the humidity was hovering around 75%. Within just a few hours, you could literally feel the difference in the air. The damp, heavy sensation was gone, replaced by a crisp, dry environment that felt much healthier to breathe in. It handles whole home moisture, garages, and commercial spaces with an efficiency that makes smaller units look like toys. One feature I absolutely have to praise is the 90-degree auto swing airflow. Most dehumidifiers just blast dry air in one direction, which often leads to dry spots right in front of the machine while the corners of the room remain damp and musty. The Waykar functions more like a high-end oscillating fan, distributing that dry air evenly across the entire room. This not only eliminates those stubborn humidity pockets, but also means the machine does not have to work as hard or run as long to achieve the target humidity level, which saves on wear and tear over time. Speaking of target levels, the Smart Humidity control is exceptionally flexible. Most units bottom out at 40% relative humidity, but the Waykar allows you to go down to 30%. This is a game changer for anyone dealing with crawl spaces or post-flood recovery where you need a deeper level of drying to protect furniture, fabrics, and structural wood from rot and odor. The AI Smart Protection System also means I do not have to baby the machine. It features automatic defrost and overload protection, so even if the temperature in my basement drops, the unit handles itself without the coils freezing over or the compressor straining. Despite being a powerhouse, it is surprisingly quiet. It operates at around 42 decibels, which is essentially a soft, consistent white noise. I have had units in the past that sounded like a jet engine taking off in the next room, but this one is subtle enough that you can easily sleep or work nearby without distraction. The build quality feels incredibly robust, which makes sense given that Waykar is a US-based brand with a long history in moisture control. It meets all the major safety and efficiency standards, including being Energy Star certified, which is a huge relief when you realize how much money a non-certified unit of this size would add to your electric bill. Drainage is another area where the design shines. You get the best of both worlds with a 1.14-gallon internal tank for manual emptying and a 3.3-foot drain hose for continuous gravity drainage. What I really appreciated is that the unit uses a standard 3/4-inch garden hose connection. You do not need specialized adapters or proprietary hoses. You can just run a standard hose to a floor drain or a sump pump and forget about it. After months of continuous use, the Waykar 120 Pint has proven to be an absolute workhorse. It has effectively eliminated the condensation on my windows and that lingering pet odor that always seems to thrive in humid air. It is a professional-grade solution for anyone who is tired of fighting a losing battle against moisture. Between the localized US support, the extended 2-year warranty upon registration, and the sheer efficiency of the 90-degree swing system, it is easily the best investment I have made for my home's climate control. If you have a large space that needs serious drying, this is the machine that will finally get the job done right.